Okay, so I use Quizlet. I only have a few terms that I wanted my students to go over for this subject. So to create a Quizlet, you simply click create, and you get to choose what title you want, and then the terms and the definitions, or the questions and the answers, basically. And for mine, they have the definitions and terms right here under it, but then at the top, the part that I really like is that they also have flashcards, basically, so you can flip through it without actually having to see the answers. So if you just want to see this part, you can. You can click it to flip it. You can also learn it. Basically, it's like a multiple choice question thing that they have here to see basically if you know it. It's a very easy subject, obviously. I got that one wrong, so they'll go back over it maybe in the next set that we learn. And then if we go back, they also have where you can write it in, where you can spell the stuff, where you can take a test and you can play like a matching game. I've I have not actually looked at the gravity one. Oh, okay. So it's basically just like a mini game that you can play here. And that is Quizlet.